Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today. It's your girl Tiffany of Tiffkneebaby TV. If it's your first time, thanks for joining me. It means everything, and I definitely hope that you will hit that subscribe button right now so that you can join the Tiffkneebaby TV family and so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Today, we're going to be talking about something that is new and trendy, and I am here for it, honey. We're going to be reviewing a butterfly lock unit from Zichi Hair. I'm going to drop the intro. Make sure that you're ready so that you can watch me work. All right, so we're going to be getting into this unit today from Zichi Hair, and this is what she looks like. Here's the inside of the cap. Again, this is a full lace wig, so it will look natural all the way around. You have an adjustable band that's been added to the back. You also have adjustable straps, and you have 3 combs in the back to help with security. There are no combs in the front, so there will be no irritation and no pulling. And there's also no comb in the crown, which can oftentimes really irritate my head. If there was a comb there, I always cut that out. So it's nice to not have to do that. Here is what the parting on that unit looks like. The knots are bleached, and it does look very natural. There are baby hairs in the front. And we have a couple of pieces that also have some decoration already added to it. The locks themselves are individually done. They've got those cute little spiral pieces, curls that come out to make them the butterflies, and the ends are bound up very nicely. First impression, she's got some weight to her. This is not a lightweight unit just from holding it. It's actually kind of making my arm tired just holding it up talking about it. But so far, I really like this. This is really pretty and it seems to be really well made. So let's go ahead and get into her, shall we? Because this lace is a little bit whiter than my skin tone, I am going to go over the inside of the cap with my even tinted lace spray in order to camouflage and just to make that blend down better with my skin. All right, here's what she looks like directly on. I'm going to be laying this down with the very last little bit of got to be glued that I have and some of the blasting freeze spray as well. All right, I'm going to be tying this down and letting it dry completely with my new Silky Sax edge scarf. I got this for $7. Make sure that you check my girl out. She has her own business with Silky Sax that you can store your wigs in as well as tie down your edges. So everybody needs an edge scarf for sure. And I just love the material of this edge scarf and the fact that it's not going to stick to the hairspray and the gel. So we're gonna let this dry completely, guys. I'll be back with you in about 10 minutes to see how it turns out. All right, so I fought the battle of the baby hairs, and this is where we are now, friends. Here's what she's looking like. Being full lace, this unit is 100% versatile, which means that you can wear it in any style that is preferable to you. This wig is about 14 inches long and does sell for $210 currently on her site. And I really like that these locks are bendable. So you can shift them and make it into like a bob style if you want. Or if you wanted to flip those other pieces back over again, you can conform them to go in the direction that they need to go. On my head, this does not feel heavy. It is a little bit bulky. It is kind of large, but it's not heavy, and it doesn't make my neck feel like it'll be sore at the end of the day, which is great. Here's what it looks like up close. That parting looks absolutely awesome. Here it is from the back. This can also be half up and half down. You know, that cute little style that you always see them in on Instagram on the posts? Yes, we can do that with this unit. Super cute, right? I love it, you guys. Look at how cute this is. Now, I'm gonna give you the real pro of having a butterfly lock unit. So from what I've heard, there's no real way to take these butterfly locks out if you were to get them done on your own real hair. And from what I've seen and from what I've heard, the horror stories and some of the groups that I'm posting in, hi friends, you guys have had some damage, you've had some hair loss, you've had questions about how to get these off. All I gotta do is go around that perimeter of my hairline with some water, just water will release that. I can take this off and I can wear this style again in a year and I won't have to pay another dime to do so. So I'm a big proponent of braided units, locked units, twisted units, you name it. I can't imagine at this point in my life sitting and having somebody put this on my head in my own hair. It's just not worth it to me to have to not only have my edges pulled, to risk losing my own hair from the style, and then have to sit there all of those hours and then take it down and pay to get it redone again. No, we're just gonna buy the wig and be done with it. All right, you guys, the quality of this one might be giving my favorite braided wig company a run for her money, but this is absolutely slayed. At first glance out of the package, I was like, oh, that looks really nice, but I completely underestimated how much I was gonna absolutely love this. This is so pretty, this is so trendy, this is perfect for right now. So you guys head on over, slide down that description box, there's a link that'll take you directly to her website, and go ahead and show some support. These are being handmade and they are coming from Lagos, Nigeria. So give her a little bit of time, give her a little bit of grace. Took me about a week and a half, not quite 2 weeks to receive this unit from the time that we first talked. So very reasonable turnaround time. I have nothing but good things to say about her customer service so far. I hope that you've enjoyed this review. Let me know if you have any questions or thoughts down below. Give this video a big like before you go. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that button. I hope this was enough to convince you. It's always a pleasure rocking with you. I hope that you'll continue slaying with me. Thanks for watching Tiffkneebaby TV, friends. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, friends.